What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kayla back with another wellness vlog. As y'all know, I haven't really been in the mood to really work out, but when the sun's out, I'm out. So we're in a good mood today, and we're getting ready for the gym not even for the gym, a real and raw workout outside. All right, I want to give a quick shout out to Bandletics for sending me this band for my Apple Watch. I use my Apple Watch to track my workouts, track my heart rate, and my steps. I really love how sleek it is and how it looks. The material feels super soft against my skin, and I love that it's magnetic. That is the biggest thing for me. Makes it so easy to adjust without feeling too tight or uncomfortable. I do not like anything rubbing or making my wrist feel uncomfortable, okay? It's super lightweight, which is perfect when I'm moving around, and we're really going to put it to the test today during today's workout. But what I really want to point out is how the band is literally with the vibes today with the fit, and I am loving it. Like, look how good it looks.
Hey y'all, how are you doing? Welcome to I guess you can call it a workout vlog. I have the new Alani Nu strawberry sunrise flavor. I bought these like weeks ago. This is my first time trying it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it like an 8. It's really good though. But as titled, today we're going to be doing a zoo workout. I love when springtime and summertime come around because I feel like I operate the best when I do outside workouts. Like, I love them. I feel like my body and my physique looks so good when I do outdoor workouts. Let's get straight into the workout. We're going to start off with our warm-up, of course. You guys know we always warm up, and we're going to start off with arm circles. So we're going to do forward arm circles. This is just to warm your body up, because we're going to be working our full body when we're performing these exercises, okay? And don't get scared. And then you're going to go back. Ooh. And like my upper body right now, like my biceps, my triceps, and my back are so sore. So this actually feels really, really good. Then we're going to go into high knees. Ooh. Jumping jacks. Y'all should know how to do these. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18. Calves burning. Keep going. What's up? What's T? Get it. Whew. Keep going. Whew. Burn your calf. Real good. We're just gonna do wrist rolls. Catch your breath. Wrist rolls. This is gonna be on your hands for some of these exercises. Shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders back. Roll your shoulders forward. Okay? Roll your shoulders back. Roll them things forward. Roll your wrists. Clockwise. Counterclockwise. Clockwise. Counterclockwise. Alright, so I'm going to turn on my exercise thingy on my watch. We're going to do, what do we want to do? We're going to put it under high interval training. We're going to start the workout, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to monitor our heart rate, and we're going to see how many calories we burn just from doing a full body, no type of equipment workout outdoors. So the first exercise we have is bear crawls. I'm gonna go ahead and angle this downwards for y'all. Make sure y'all got some good music on, because you're gonna get tired. All right, so yeah, we about to get on the flow. So we're gonna do some bear crawls. You want to get down on all fours I want you to crawl. You're gonna do forward, you're gonna do back. All right, make sure you keep that core tight. Turn around, walk it out. This is gonna work your upper body, your arms, your core, also your quads and your hamstrings. Next exercise we have, I'm out of breath. We got kangaroos. Kangaroo hops is basically vertical jumps. So you want your hands by your chest and you want to jump as high as you can vertically. Give me 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We back on the flow. These, we're gonna call them cobra slithers. If you can't do push-ups, then do the modified version on your knees and still do the same concept. We're doing 10. Push-up position, go down slow, slithering like a snake. Chest to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm tired. 7. Whoo. Come on. 8. Hold on. We're gonna finish these last 2. Shake it out. Don't punk out. All right. Come on. 2 more. Up. 9. Down. Push. 10. All right. Whew. Shit. We about to do everybody's favorite. We're about to do duck walks. I'm gonna come back some because I want to do more duck walks. So we're gonna do 10 forward, 10 back, hands behind head, low. Get low with it. Y'all get low when y'all twerk. Get low. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quad should be burning. Shit. We actually could have did another 10. Just so y'all know, we're performing these exercises 3 times. That's it. We still on the first round. Y'all could take y'all breaks as needed, but don't cheat yourself. You want to keep your heart rate up. Next exercise we got is frog jumps. All right, we're performing 10. I want you to squat it low. Be explosive. When you jump, make sure you're swinging with your arms. Follow through with the momentum. So we're gonna do 10. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it around if you ain't got no space. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be explosive with it. You're gonna get tired. You're gonna feel it in your quads. You're gonna feel it in your core. That's okay. Next exercise we have is starfish jacks. Y'all should know how to do regular jumping jacks, but these are starfish, meaning you're going to extend your arms and your legs. I want you to look like Patrick, okay? So we're gonna do 10. So that's gonna be an example of your starfish jack, all right? So we're doing 10 of those. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I want you to open up, feel everything. The very, 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 very last exercise is a sprint. Okay, we're gonna call these the cheetah sprints. I'm sprinting that way. You're gonna try to run as fast as you can. Once you get to the end, jog it back. Ready? I'm not even gonna hold y'all. That takeoff almost bust my ass. We need a replay on that. Y'all, I'm so tired. We're gonna pause. This is where we at. I don't know if y'all can see, but 49 minutes, 475 calories in under an hour. Basically 45 minutes if we would have never took our breaks. 3 rounds. Y'all, I'm gassed. Work your full body. You get your heart rate up. It's different. It's actually fun. It's tiring, but it's actually fun. Like, if you ever want to do something quick and you don't have no equipment, but you got the great outdoors and the weather is nice, zoo workout. All it takes is your full body. You can modify the exercises and make them to your liking. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to catch my breath here. But overall, working out with this band, like usually with bands, like regular bands, I could feel it and I always have to adjust it. I didn't have to touch this band at all. Like, it works so nice, it's magnetic, so it just clips on like that, but I didn't have to adjust it at all. I completely forgot that I had an Apple Watch on unless I had to check for the time. That is literally it. Like, you're able to move your wrist how you want to, like it's not uncomfortable. They also have like different colors. I love how this one is like white and then it's also pink on the inside, but if I wanted to, I think I can. If I wanted to, I could flip it and wear pink. Y'all know lately I've been getting into my soft girl era and liking pink a lot. I don't know, but I like it. But it just looks so sleek and so clean. And I like the way it worked with me while I did my workout. Whew. That was actually a good one. I should do an outdoor zoo workout like twice a month. And it feels so nice. Like, the temperature definitely has increased, but with the breeze, it feels good. Let's do a quick physique check. Can y'all see the physique? Yeah, quads. They don't got no lines like how they used to, but that's okay. They're gonna come back. All right, cool. Your girl is tired, but I thoroughly enjoyed doing this video. I enjoyed the workout. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, especially like if you try it or if you plan on trying it. Don't say you're gonna try it and you don't try it for real. Try it for real. All right. All right. Make sure y'all comment down below if y'all would like more mic'd up outdoor workouts, especially for those that don't have access to a gym or don't have access to gym equipment. Lately, I haven't been going to the actual gym, so doing body weight type workouts have been working out for me. So if you guys would like to see more of that, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you guys are notified when your girl uploads. And as always, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and until the next one.